underperforming because of lack of effort. You're stuck because your business was built on reaction, not precision. In home service and manufacturing, most owners grow by adding more. More jobs, more people, more hours. But the top 1%, they scale by removing that chaos. I talk to companies doing 500K, 5 million, even 15 million that still run like they're in survival mode. Schedules get made in someone's head, jobs fall through the cracks, and managers are too busy putting out fires to build systems that prevent them. You think your team's the problem? It's not. The problem is you've outgrown your systems and no one told you what to install next. You don't need to burn it all down. You need structure. Automations that respond before your competition does, dashboards that tell you where your money is going, clean processes that make hiring, quoting, and service delivery predictable. That's how you buy back your time. That's how you fix your margins, and that's how you scale without losing your mind or your weekends. If you're ready to stop reacting and start running a business that wins, book a call with me. Let's build this machine that gets you out of the weeds for good.